DataRobot makes generative AI evaluation and deployment a breeze, and now even more efficiency can be unlocked using our new moderation and intervention features. Hi, my name is Brent Hinks, and I've worked with hundreds of organizations to implement solutions in DataRobot. I've been asked many times how our platform can assist with the safe deployment of generative applications. The idea of moderating both prompts and LLM responses is not new to DataRobot, but it was previously a capability geared toward the code-first user. Now I'm excited to show you some new additions that can help bring no-code users into the fold while accelerating the configuration process for a more technically adept audience. This is our generative AI playground. This is a place where we can evaluate different generative blueprints, which are going to be combinations of foundation models, prompting strategies, and vector databases. Now we can also take a look at evaluation metrics that are attached to our blueprint, and we can configure these with a collection of global guard models. So we've expanded on the concept of these guard models, and now we include a library of global guardrails. These represent common things that you would potentially like to monitor and intervene on in the course of a generative use case. Things like PII detection, prompt injection, toxicity evaluation. Now we can add these guards with the push of a button. We can apply them to the prompt or the response, if applicable. And we can even select specific classifiers that are deployed within DataRobot. So these guards can be further customized. Here in the model workshop within the DataRobot registry, I can take a look at this blueprint that I've decided to further customize. Here I can define what the intervention policy should be. In the case of PII detection, I would want to block this, and I can also provide a helpful warning saying, do not expose private information to this bot. So now that element of the moderation strategy has been saved, and I can register this blueprint to make it ready for deployment within DataRobot. Once that's registered and deployed, I can even create a new application right here in DataRobot. This will let me interactively see how those moderation strategies are playing out and provide an easy way to access this LLM blueprint to my users. Here we can see this prompt was blocked since it contained inappropriate content. And of course, all of this flow end-to-end is customizable. We can add our own custom guardrails, even make them global across the organization if it's a metric that is going to apply to potentially many blueprints. And we can also customize the wrapper code that DataRobot has built around the LLM to add even more enforcement of business rules if needed. So that was a quick look at some of the new moderation and intervention features that are coming to DataRobot. Thanks for watching.